It's time to craft. Let's go.
Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am participating in a Christmas mug gift collaboration with my sweet friend, my crafting bestie Philicia over at BOK Media Life, my little sis Kesha with Kesha the Stylist, and Sweet K with At Home with K. And here are some of the items that I will be using to put my gift mug together. These items did come from the Dollar Tree. I've had them on hand for a couple of weeks now. And then I did also buy some things from other stores like Bath and Body Works, Walmart. I have some paint here. I have some hand sanitizers. I have some wax melts from my own personal collection. Just, a lot of different little things that I think people would like. So guys, here are the mugs that I've chosen to use. I will be creating 5 different gifts today in this video. So let's get started with gift idea number 1. And what I have is just some items to make a crafting gift mug decor piece. As you see, I have some of this red tissue paper, and I am just adding the items that's crafting related inside of this piece. I have some twine here that I just kind of unravel from the roll and just add it on the inside so that anyone that's getting or receiving this piece will have some jute twine to start with. Of course, Joy loves jute, so hopefully the person that receives this will enjoy this gift as it came from my heart. Let's talk about my sweet crafting bestie, Philicia. Philicia has 2 channels here on YouTube, BOK Media Life as well as BOK Media Food Freaks. She creates high-end decor, she has entertaining lives, delicious foods, just a whole lot of different things. You need to check out Philicia. And now we're going to move to gift idea number 2. This one is more of a larger gift decor piece. I have one of those buckets that you can find. This is the one that comes during the Christmas time, really anytime, holiday time, where I am adding some different fragrances in here. One of the things that I've used for this piece is that Japanese cherry blossom smell. I have lotions in there, body washes, body sprays. I have a lot of different little things in there, and I think the person that receives this will be very happy. This is one of the larger of all 5 pieces. And now before we get started on gift idea number 3, let's talk about my sweet little sister, Kesha. Kesha is one that loves sustainable fashion. She is a thrift store guru. If you want to know anything about thrifting, you need to talk with Kesha. She also is an educator and she's a style expert. Make sure you head on over to Kesha's channel and just show her some love. And then you see here I have another crafting idea or gift mug idea. I'm so used to saying crafting, but gift mug idea. And I have a magnet here that says something like amazingly joy, something. It's really cute. And then I have some candies that I'm putting all on the inside, wax melt, fingernail file, just a whole lot of different things that I think anyone would enjoy. But now let's talk about my sweet friend Kay. I call her Sweet K because she's just such a beautiful, spirited person inside and out. And not only that, she creates very beautiful shabby chic decor. Her clay treats looks like, you can eat them. You got to be careful though, because it's made out of clay. And her Mackenzie Child's dupes is out of this world. You got to check out Kay and make sure you tell her Joy said hello. And let's move into the gift idea line number 4. This is another gift idea. This is the one that is dealing with more of your facial cleansing products. And I really, if you have sensitive skin or if you wear makeup, the items that's in here will be able to allow you to exfoliate and all that kind of stuff. So this is one. I have the hydrating serum in here, all kind of stuff that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. I have mascara, eyeliner, I have concealer, just a lot of different little things that's in this gift mug as well. Eyelashes, eye glue, just a lot of different things. And the person that's going to receive this will be very pleased with it as well. And so guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload any and everything to my channel. Also guys, make sure you head on over to check out these beautiful ladies' channels, show them some love, and just go see what inspiration you can gain for Christmas by watching their channels and seeing what they're actually putting together for their gift ideas in a mug. And again, I'm just taking different items and just putting them together. These are some things that just were left over, hand sanitizer, facial cleansing, scrubs, just a lot of different things. Facial sprays, misting sprays and stuff like that. Just a lot of different things that I think, again, is inexpensive, affordable, and something that I would use if my skin wasn't so sensitive. But yeah, I think it turned out cute. Now you see me just adding the wrapping to it. Now I did have a hard time finding wrap for these, like the basket wraps that would fit this size of gift idea or gift. So I ended up using some cellophane wrap, and then that wouldn't work. So I ended up really having to go back and use the larger bags on some of them. And then I just cut the cellophane wrap to make it work on one of them. But that's all it is to this piece, guys. I hope that, you've gained some inspiration by watching me put these baskets together or these gift mugs together. And hopefully you or someone in your family could benefit from some of the items that I'm showing you, so that if you want to add it to your gift basket, gift mug, they will be pleased with the basket in and of itself. Guys, remember that this video is part of a collaboration wherein we are to take Christmas mugs and create decor, or gift mugs. And guys, here it is in the reveal. I think this is so cute. So cute. Look at that snowman. I really love this mug. I think it's really cute. And I did add some little things in there, like the hot chocolate and some peppermint candy canes and some cinnamon hard candies, and I think it's just turned out cute. And here's the second one. This is the larger of all of the gifts today. I use one of those large buckets that come during the holidays seasons at the Dollar Tree. They have them for Easter, they have them for Halloween, Christmas, you name it. All the major holidays, they do come out with these annually. So I just took that and put a mug on the inside of this piece. So this is a very healthy and sizable piece. And then here's another one. I just really loved how all of these came out. The Christmas mugs turned out so cute. I thought they were just beautiful. Dollar Tree, they be doing their things with those mugs. If you sleeping on Dollar Tree for holiday mugs, then I just don't know what to tell you. You need to take a look at them now. And again, guys, this video is part of a collaboration wherein we are to take Christmas mugs and create gifts inside of the mugs. And this one, you can't really see the design on it, but it's like a fat sweater type design with little like trees and stuff on it. It's really cute. So guys, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you will not miss out on anything that I upload to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is set, and also make sure you head on over to these ladies' channels, Kesha the Stylist, Philicia with BOK Media Life, and Kay with At Home with Kay. Check these ladies out, show them some love and support, and if you haven't connected with them, make sure you go ahead and do so. And here is everything styled together. I think they turned out super cute. Not to mention, I had to redo this whole entire video. My original file was corrupted. I don't know what happened, but it did. But I was determined to get this video out so that I was in unison with my girls. Again, guys, my name is Joy with Joyful Designz. I am the chief crafter for the Joyful Designz brand. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Also, make sure that you have connected with Philicia over at BOK Media Life, Kesha with Kesha the Stylist, and Kay with At Home with Kay. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.